Okay, are y'all ready?
Stop saying that. I know that. I know that.
So let me see yours.
Stop saying I know that. I know
so
that.
I tied the string on the bottom. You got your bead on here so that the other ones don't fall off. Okay. Let me see yours. And I tied your bead. So now, here you go. Take a bead and string it onto the elastic. What color you want next? Take your elastic and hold it in your hand. Hold your elastic and put it on there. You want shiny? Now put the string through the hole. I think I got big enough holes for you to get that through there.
It's something in here.
Get another one. The ones that have something in there, I'll get them out in a few minutes. I got to find the tool to get them out.
Nope.
Can you get it in there? And then when you do that one, hold the string at the top and let it go all the way down. Okay. Then do your next one. You got it, Dakota?
Yeah.
No, that we don't play with them like that. We're making bracelets, right? Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
So you do your next one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Get it in there. Your holes are big enough to get it in there, girl. Can you see that hole? Push it. Watch this. Watch how I do it. So hold it close to the end, right? Stick it in there. Once you stick it in there, push it through and then grab it. Take that in. Take this in and then let it go all the way down to the bottom. See? Now do your next one. And I'll find a little tool to get the stuff out of the holes. Oh, you got 3 on there now, huh, Kari?
No, 4.
No, oh, you're working on 4. What color are you going to use next, Dakota?
I do double for shiny. Okay.
So, y'all can't use this. I'm just going to show you what I do. This is to get the stuff out of the middle of the hole. And I don't know what the name of the tool is, but see how you have that?
I think it's called a medicine.
You think? You see how you got that stuff in there, Dakota?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, you're busy getting that bead on. So this just pushes it out. It should.
Wow.
Whoa!
Oh, my dog.
The beads are jumping everywhere. Where'd it go, Coda?
Do it in your face.
All right, that one go back in there, Coda. I got it out. Just got stuck in the middle. Uh-oh, y'all dropping beads everywhere. See? Look, I just pushed that through there. Like that, and it'll get the... See how it opened it up? See?
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing a good job. Look at you.
Only got 2 more left.
You know what? And I think when you finish that, I think the smaller beads, the smaller tan beads would have worked better for you. Those might be too big for a bracelet. That might work for a necklace. You think that's enough for a bracelet? I think you should have used these for your bracelet.
Yeah, that's that.
Okay. Take yours off. We'll say these for your necklace. Take yours off.
I like black.
So you can use these smaller ones.
I want black on mine because I like black.
No, you got pastel colors.
That's black.
And here you go. These will look better for you for the bracelet for boys. Smaller, not that big. There you go. And then we'll do the necklace with that. Okay?
And do a big one for the west.
Yes. How you doing?
Good.
You're doing good. I can't see you. You way over there. I can't see you in the camera. Well, you're not working right here. Oh, this side. This way. Look at us this way. In the middle of the table. See? That's gonna be better. And then when you get done, I'll take the big bead off.
Okay.
Be careful, don't let them fall off.
Okay.
Okay, Coda, what color you want now? Coda, see, you keep sitting on your knees and you're so far down. You want to sit in this chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're way down. Okay, get up. I got a couple hours before you go home. You ready to go home already?
No.
Oh.
Of course not.
There you go.
There for 8
what? 8 what?
8 days.
You got to go to school. Okay, let me scoot you over a little bit.
I don't do the same soil this year.
So, same school. So you got 4. Keep going, because we got a necklace to make after this. Coda, you get a few more on there. It might be big enough for your bracelet. I don't know. You okay?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me see. Let me measure around your wrist. Let me see.
Is it Coda done already?
I don't know. We're going to put it around the wrist and see.
I'm not done.
I'm going to tell you about how many beads you need. You're going to need about
80
3 more beads.
What? Okay. How? You almost.
You gotta do a lot. You're gonna need about 10 beads on yours.
About. Well, there's one big one.
No, not. We'll do that for the necklace. They too big for your bracelet.
Just
Boys'
one.
bracelets need to be smaller beads, not that big a bead.
Why?
Because it just doesn't look right to me. Can you get it in there? You gotta hold on to it. So hold on to the very end of it. So don't have your string so long. Look at my fingers. You hold on to it like this, then you can see. You could hold it still and then get it on there. So put your fingers up there. You got 5. You gotta keep going.
I just need 8 billion
Okay,
more.
get your string down there like I told you. Hold it down towards the bottom. Yes.
Eternity later.
Good job. Okay, pull it through. No, we'll measure it on your arm and see.
What?
Carrie, you got about 4 more beads to put on, and yours might be big enough.
For me?
Yeah, let me show you how to do it. Let me show you.
What if I
You got it? Okay, you do it your way.
What if I wear it tomorrow?
All right, put your wrist down.
Stop.
Put your wrist on top of the beads. Yours is big enough, so I'm gonna tie yours off. Okay?
Okay.
Uh-oh, excuse me, Carrie. Okay. So, Dakota, I had to cut your bead off, so I got to put it back on.
Yeah, I got like 4. I'm gonna do all this little tree.
You got to finish, Carrie. We got a necklace to make. He's clowning. All right, so then I'm gonna tie it off for you, Dakota. Okay?
I would love to tell you that.
Get your work done, finish.
I need 8 billion more.
Yours is almost done.
I need 8 billion.
You tie it real good, Dakota. I put about 6 knots in here.
8 trillion years later.
8 million years later.
Does it 8
A trillion years later. Oh my God. Okay, let's try it on, Coda. Your first bracelet you made. Let's try it on. Put it on. Oh, you like it? Nice. Look up to the.
Very pretty.
Put it up to the S. Very nice. Very nice. So we'll wait. We'll wait for the Carrie to get done with his so we can do the necklaces.
Make sure to subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.
Make sure to subscribe and like that. That's what you did to 8 billion likes in 2 days.
Oh my gosh. Funny. That might be big enough. You put that one on, we're going to measure it on your arm. Is there something on it? There you go.
And why is there 2 black ones?
There's a lot of black ones in there. Okay, let's measure it. Let me see.
Nada.
Put your wrist right here.
I told you, look at out.
So you need 2 more.
What? Only 2?
Yep, 2 more beads. You so silly. Put that down.
Just 2?
Just 2. And we'll be done with your bracelet, and then we'll measure stuff for the necklaces.
After we do the bracelet.
Coda, put your beads back in here. I need to see if you have enough beads for a necklace. I might have to get you some more beads.
But you have to make.
Put 2 more on.
Done. You have to make my bracelet, my necklace.
No, you're gonna make your necklace. Hold it up to the top of the string.
Do stuff after I do this.
No, after we get done with the jewelry, then you can do something. You ain't got nothing to do. You're just trying to play. I thought you wanted to make a necklace and bracelet.
5, 6, 7.
I'm not gonna make it for you. If you want it, you gotta make it.
9.
You need help with that one?
11, 12.
There you go. Did you put? Was that 2 more? Let me see.
No, that was only 1.
Oh, well, let's measure it again and see. See if that's gonna work. That's enough. That's enough. So let me tie yours off. Then we're gonna cut the strings, Carrie, and then you can put it on.
And I have 100.
That's good enough. I hope so. I hope we didn't need one more bead.
Oh no.
Everybody have a good time.
Guys,
Oh,
it's fit.
yeah.
Guys, something in here.
Nice, nice. Now put yours up there too.
You better get 8 million.
Nice.
48. You better get likes.
8,048,000 likes. I don't know about that.
Something in here.
All right, let's get ready to make the necklace.
Hey guys, today we are making necklaces. I know we already did bracelets yesterday.
That was today.
That was today. So we don't do making necklaces
Okay.
now.
No. You're doing a good job.
We just did.
You put another big pink one on there if you want to.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
A spider down there.
Oh, where did it go? Here it is.
A spider down there.
Okay, be careful, y'all.
Okay.
Remember how I told you to hold it? Harry? You getting it?
I suck at this.
No, you don't. Stop saying that.
No, you don't. Stop saying
Don't
that.
say that.
Suck is not a bad word.
I don't care. Don't say it. You on video. Your mom and daddy gonna hear that. Pause.
What?
Good job. Keep going. You got a long way to go because these are gonna be necklaces. When we get there, we can watch that and we'll pop some popcorn.
Yay!
Okay, when y'all finish-
watch a Halloween
When you
movie.
finish, yep, watch a Halloween movie when you finish your
And then you
necklaces.
can cook some fish.
Some what? Some fish. I'm not making no fish. What? I don't have no fish. It's frozen. Fish? Did you not eat dinner? Did you eat before you came or no?
I did not.
You did not. Okay, we'll find something to eat. Just put it up
So.
there. And
Okay.
you keep stretching it, it's gonna pop, and you might pop off all your beads. Well, you finally put a green one on there, huh?
I don't want to.
Hold it close to the end, Carrie, and it'll go on easier. Yes.
I only don't do the colors that I like.
But you got to mix up these big ones, so you got to put some in between. You got to put the other small beads in between your big ones. Like you can put the small pink ones in between the big ones.
If you do it, is it shiny?
They're shiny.
Okay. Don't do shiny, do door.
You do shiny, then a dull, then a shiny, then a dull.
No, we don't do shiny. First, and then the door.
Oh, okay. I said it wrong. I said dull, shiny, dull, shiny. You want to do shiny, dull. Uh-oh, you got it. There you go. Now you can put a big pink.
Hey!
You got two.
I'm shiny. Why?
You shiny? Yes. You're not dull. Come on.
Am I shiny? Everybody's shiny.
Everybody shiny.
Just
Shine like a diamond, right?
yes. Actually, that diamond.
Look what you did. You didn't put one in between there.
Oh,
No.
Actually, that
Now put,
like diamond.
now put a little.
Why do I have to do this?
Here, let me help you.
Why do I do this?
Let me get you back caught up. Small one. Now give me a big one.
This one a pink.
Yeah, big pink one. Then I'll get you caught up, and then you can go right ahead. Okay, give me a small one. See how easy that goes in? If you hold it out, you hold the elastic at the tip, like that. It goes in real easy.
The big.
Uh-oh. Big one. We almost caught up, and then you
I
can
don't
finish.
have any more other ones.
So you don't have any more little pink ones?
No.
So you can use other colors. What other color you want to use?
Blue.
Ooh, good job, Carly. Uh-oh.
Give that to me right now. That Carly.
Here, so now you caught up, so you can finish.
Another. I do that. Then the camera some more.
Some more.
Do you even see my necklace?
No,
Do you
can't
even
see
see my necklace?
We got to finish if y'all want to watch a movie and have popcorn. There we go.
And fish.
Y'all doing too much. Y'all doing the most.
I told you. Go.
You need me to help you?
I told you long ago, and I will watch the rated for a reason. I told you long ago.
And there's Kari's. Show your necklace and your bracelet. Very nice. You put two blue beads in the middle. Dakota, let's see yours. So pretty. Hers is pastel, multicolors. Now put your necklaces on and your bracelets on and we'll be done. Put them on so they can see what it looks like on. Yep. Now put your blue beads in the middle, remember? Yeah. Bracelet? Oh, you got your bracelet on. Nice. Coda, let's see yours. So pretty. All right. Tell everybody bye-bye and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. And peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out, and then 100 likes right now, and no, 8 million, and 8 million likes and 100. Actually,
Okay, bye y'all. Peace and love. Thank you.
Thank you for watching everything you guys and put my videos.
I'm done. We're done. Y'all talk too much. We done.